Good morning, Tiger Nation, and good welcome to first day of the school year for the 2020-2021 year. I know this is not the way we all wanted to start this year, but it is the cards we're being dealt. So I do want to wish everybody a good luck on this first opening day. I would like to thank all of our students out there for the hard work they've put in the last couple of days preparing for this. And I would like to also thank and just so proud of the staff here at the high school that have had to plan and rethink and replan all summer long, and then came together the last week and put together some great instruction for our students to start off this school year and learn a new program of remote learning and how to provide a great education to our students here at the high school. So I just want to thank our staff for all the hard work they've put in the last couple of days and preparing that. So today is the first day of school, and what that will entail is all students will have a Google Classroom for each class they're enrolled in here at the high school. So that'll be 7 classes for most of our students. They will be asked to come in and are asked to log on and work on those Google Classrooms today as they are working on as they start the school day. So again, you'll want to go to Google and log in. If you are having trouble logging in, then you will want to go to reset your password, and you can do that on our school website. So again, all classrooms will be available for students. If you do not have a classroom, just need to email us here at the high school or call here at the high school or email the teacher that you're in, and they'll get you access to that class code. But you should not have to input any class codes. All your Google Classrooms should just appear there for you. You're automatically enrolled in those classrooms. So that will be there for you today. The expectation will be there will be a little work for every day. It could be you watching a lecture. It could be you reading an assignment. It could be a homework assignment for you to work on. But there will be something in there for you every day. Our teachers, again, have gone above and beyond to work, provide you with some stuff to work on there. Our teachers are available. You can go to our website and go to the faculty and staff link. There will be there's a Google sheet there, or Google slide there that has everybody's office hours. You can click on those office hours to see those teachers. They are every teacher is available at least 1 hour per day via Google Meet that you can log in and watch them and get their help. Again, there's help that's needed. We're here every day. You can email anybody, faculty and staff. You can email administration. You can call here at the high school. The phone number is 270-756-3080. We do have tutoring in the afternoons from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Every student was sent that link to that Google Meet. That is virtually, so that's Google Meet. That's not in person. Every student was sent that link in their email. So I can't stress enough for students to check their email every day through this process. We will be communicating with them quite a bit through there. There are some resources that were uploaded on our website. You can go to the BCHS resources on our website. Click on that. There is a remote learning and frequently asked questions link on there that's got some great resources there for you to navigate through this process. Again, contact us if you have any issues or problems doing this. Communication. We're going to communicate often during this process. Be sure you sign up for Send It. That is our new program that was our old Notify Me. That is, you can sign up for that on our website and the district website. So please sign up for Send It. You can receive text messages and emails from us here at the school. Also, check out follow us on Facebook, Twitter. Also, make our website one of your favorites, and you can click on that all the time. We have links there with all kinds of information. Sports did start yesterday on the 24th, so that is KSAA and the Governor Beshear have approved the start of that. So we will have 2 weeks of practice, and the seasons will start September 7th. If you're wanting to play on one of our fall sports, which would be volleyball, soccer, cross country, or football, or cheer or dance, those tryouts started yesterday and today. So be sure, if you're interested in playing, contact the school, and we'll get you some information on how to proceed with that. But you will need an updated KSAA physical if you're wanting to do that. Well, that was a quick Tiger Talk, but please know that we are available here at the high school for any questions throughout today. Good luck today. I'd like to wish all of our students, all of our parents, and all of our staff good luck today, and have a wonderful first day of the 2020-2021 school year. I'll leave you how we start every day here. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.